Hello guys, I am Milad and welcome to my tutorial about my add-on, and I want to show you how you can use this add-on on your model. Basically, this add-on there are two parts in this add-on. Part one, a smart remesh for organic model and a smart remesh for hard surface model. For example, this model is a hard surface model. This is the very simple model, and we can use it as a sample and adjusted some setting on this one. For example, I create a copy from this one, and here we have on a smart remesh hard surface section, we have three preset: balanced, detail, and flat panels. For example, for this model, I think flat panels it's more than better than another one, and select this one. Remesh Hardsurface. Look at this. Our model based on this preset remesh it. But now we have some problem in our model. For example, here we have a problem. Okay, here we can adjust the remove straight loops. When we decrease the number of straight lines, it will be fixed. Look at this. I changed the number, for example, to this one. It's fixed. And now everything is good. Or if you want to add chamfer to your model, for example, here we can add chamfer like this one, but the number it's very big. Maybe for some reason clamp overlap it's be on. So if you want to increase your chamfer, please turn off the clamp overlap. And so look at this. Now we can increase the chamfer edge like this one, or more than this. Okay, now it's good. Now it's good. But here we have a problem on this edge. It's because of our adjustment on this model. For example, for fix it, adjusted Coplanar here, for example, increase the number to 5, it will be fixed here, such as this one. Okay, now everything is fine and good. That's it. And you can adjust it everything, and you can adjust it your setting on your model based on your model, because this setting it's suitable for my model, and you need to find your adjustment on your model. But if you find it any setting it's suitable for your model, you can create preset here. For example, you can press add button and write here your name. For example, I write my name, Milad, and add this one. For example, look at this. We have presets here, and every time you want it, you have access to this one. Okay, only this one. I try to test on another sample, and I will show you what's the difference between the setting. That's it, and we can go to another samples. Okay, another model. And sometimes you don't need to do anything, only select a preset and select your model and remesh it. That's it, very easy. Okay, good. We can select another model. For example, I put it here and I will go to another model. Okay, this is another model from Blender Kit, and create copy from this one and select this part exactly with our preset on a flat panel, and very easily work it. And now work it on this model. It's worked very well, and you can find and compare together both model. Okay, that's it. And another model. Okay, now. Okay, another model from Blender Kit, and here we have a Lamborghini. And now, before start remeshing, you need to apply your modify on your model. For example, we need to apply this one, apply this, and apply this. After apply, remesh it. But now, if your model, look at this, the number here, it's very huge and it's very heavy, but and a lot of faces. But now look at this, it's slow faces. Decrease your faces number about 70 or 80%. And now we have our model very well. If you need to decrease your number more than this one, you can decrease this number. For example, if you can increase this one. Look at this. I increase it the number. When you increase the number and remove it, your straight, your lines more than usual. Oh, look at this. But it's deform your model. For sometimes it's good. It's related to your model and depends on yours. And now I want to come back to previous one. I think this number is good. It's enough. And keep our shape. Get this. Everything is good. And it's enough for us. Okay, now I want to show you organic model. For example, this model was, all of them was hard surface. And I want to show you organic model, how you can use it, this add-on on the organic model. Organic model like this, for example, a statue on Blender Kit. Organic model like, for example, this one. It's good. Organic model like this one. Our model and our faces, all of them, it's triangular and it's not very clear, and we can convert it to quad remesh. Here there are two models, automat and manual, and most of the time I think automat is better for you. And now keep closing this one and Remesh Organic, and look at this, and faces about, for example, 20K, and remesh it. Take a time, and you can see the loading process on your mouse. And look at this, we have it, and remesh it, our model. Look at this, maybe we need to increase your number of your faces to fix some issue like this one and like this one. An organic model, it's related to your faces and your model. Okay, it's good. Now I want to return, but if you remember, I mentioned we have two model for remeshing for organic model. Now for first one, I used the automatic, and now I want to manual. Manual, it's good for some models like this one because with the first engine, first method, we have some holes on your on our model, like this one. Look at this. I want to show you again our issue. And okay, we have some problem here on our model, or some bad retopology on our model, such as this one. And look at this. If you return and select the manual and remesh it again, fix everything. Look at this. Everything is very clear. It's very clear if you need it. Sorry, it's very clear as you need it. Okay, that's it. It's good. This is the organic model. It's not hard surface, but now very clearly, you know, when you have an organic model, you have to use it this part, and when you have a hard surface, you have to this one. But don't forget, one things. If you need help, or if you need to know what's this, for example, option, or what's this option, only keep your mouse on your section, and after that the hover show you the help of this part. It's like a help, and discuss this part to you, and of course, like such as this one, and everywhere you put it your mouse and keep it, and don't move it, you can see help and discussion about, or maybe description about this button. I think everything is very clear and you can use it. And of course, if you have another question, you can ask me from Discord, and you can join it and ask me your question very easily. I'm here to answer you. Bye.